Hi, I'm Mathieu Benoit, and I'm going to introduce my project, My Cellars and Test, an Android application managed with Visual Studio Team Services. It's part of the Java Tools Challenge 2016. My application is in the Google Play Store since 2012, 4 years ago. A little history about that, so some graphical changings and also more and more feature during this evolution. For the challenge, before the challenge, I was using Eclipse, SVN, Milin, and I did a lot of manual builds and releases. After the challenge, now I'm using Android Studio, Gradle build, and I use Visual Studio Team Services, Backlog, Git, Team Room build, and release. I'm very focused on the ALM process, and with this challenge, it was the time to set up this. So from my desktop, I can push my code according some work items defined into my backlog. And after that, the build is automatically triggered a Gradle build, and after that, the release also to push the application build into the alpha beta slot. And after that, later I can decide if I want to push my application into production. So here is Android Studio. So like you can see at the bottom, the tab work items, I installed the Team Services plugin from Android Studio. So I can manage my work item, my pull request, and my local changing to push into my master Git repository. I use Team Room. Team Room is a good place to chat and also to centralize notification about project backlog item changings, commit, build, and release notification. Like I said, I manage my work. So for this challenge, I was into my sprint 6.0.94, and I manage my code in Git repository. And I defined the build, and like you can see, I have a lot of history. The definition of this build is in 4 steps. Android build, the first one, to build the application. After that, I can copy some files. And just after, I'm going to sign the Android application to finally publish the artifact. The artifact is going to be reused by the release pipeline. The release pipeline is one step, the Google Play release step, to push my application into the Google Play Store console that I have. And here is a Google Play Developer Console. Like you can see, today I just pushed one alpha version. So thank you very much. I had a lot of fun, and I'm very glad and happy to be part of this challenge. I learned a lot about ALM and VSTS. So thank you.